December 11th, 2000, the comprehensive Everglades restoration plan. 68 separate projects that help store, clean, and send water south, providing America's Everglades the lifeblood it needs to flourish. Finally, following years of delay and increasing costs, progress. We are clearing the hurdles, and restoration is proceeding at an unprecedented pace. Through it all, the Everglades Foundation has been the leading voice, educating the public with science, taking the message to Washington and Tallahassee, giving voice to creatures who cannot speak for themselves, making the politicians listen, building the case for America's Everglades, getting them to understand that Florida's future depends on a restored Everglades. Over the past 2 years, we've seen record commitment of resources to help make up for lost time. $2.5 billion from Tallahassee. Unprecedented funding from Washington. On the ground, it's meant life-giving fresh water to the Everglades under the beautiful bridges along Tamiami Trail. Reservoirs to the east and west of Lake Okeechobee are nearing completion, and groundbreaking for the new Everglades Reservoir south of the lake. We can't stop now. We can see the finish line ahead. An opportunity to complete Everglades restoration in this decade and on schedule. It means 45,000 new jobs for Florida and protecting Florida's real estate and tourism-based economy. It means a sustainable source of drinking water for nearly 9 million and a more resilient Florida in the face of climate change. Finally, it means restoring Florida's crown jewel, the iconic River of Grass. Sometimes decades of progress can happen in just a year or two. That's what's happened with Everglades restoration. It is happening because of you. It is happening because of your devotion to Florida and to the Everglades. It is happening because of your support for the Everglades Foundation. Even in this difficult year, you never wavered. We're grateful. But we can't stop now. There's too much at stake. And instead, we've got to redouble our advocacy efforts with a new administration and our most ambitious effort ever. Full funding from Washington to match Florida. The days ahead will be challenging. But with your help, I know there is nothing we cannot do. Your support matters. Your voice matters. Your relationships matter. With your help, we will protect the future of Florida. Our time is now.